Now for this next project, it's asking us to basically take something that is in vertex form, and we're going to take it and we're going to convert it into standard form. But we first need to know what the vertex is of our equation. So let's figure out what we have to do here. Now, it says t is in the time for seconds, so that's going to be like our x value. Y is going to be our height. H is going to be our projectile's initial height. And v is going to be our initial velocity. So I'm going to use x instead of t. You could do that on your test. Your vertex in this case is 3, 50, because we knew that y is the height, so 50 has to be on the right side of the vertex point. So now we start with y is equal to negative 4.9 bracket, and we go x minus 3 all squared plus 50. Now the reason why we got negative 4.9 is because our original equation had negative 4.9 being attached to the t squared term. So we need that in order to do most of our calculation. So that's our a value. So now let's go and expand this, because we're going to change it to look something like our original equation up top. So we have x minus 3, when we simplify it, squared is going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9, and that's plus 50. Now we're going to take the negative 4.9 and we're going to multiply it into everything inside that bracket. Doing so, you're going to end up with y is equal to negative 4.9 x squared minus 29.4 x plus minus 44.1 plus 50. Now what we have to do is we're just going to collect the like terms, which are just going to be the only like terms that are the similar are going to be the 44.1 and the 50. So we're going to get negative 4.9 x squared plus 29.4x plus 5.9. So now, if I look back at the original equation, it said the initial velocity was the second term in that list, the one that had the single x term or t term. So our initial velocity is going to be 29.4 meters per second. Okay, and the initial height is going to be the starting height, which is just going to be 5.9. And that is at the end of our bracket, of our equation. And now we'll start moving on to factoring. Let's begin.